Folks, welcome back to another Newbie Views. Today is a great day. Today we're gonna go get our first season's poutine. Where are we getting it from? The only one great chip truck in Kingston. Well, there's several, but the best one is BBQBabes. Let's go roll out. I think they just opened, so let's go get some poutine. It's dead and done. Okay, I gotta do this whole intro. Regular poutine and a regular poutine and a small fry.
Okay. All right. Having 12. You still at
No.
No?
How do I use this word? COVID. Alright folks, here we are. We are at BBQBabes. I've just placed my order. Unfortunately, I didn't do I didn't hit the record button, but there it is. So amazing. There's a lineup already busted. Apparently they opened May 1st, but I wasn't here because I didn't know about it. But we got our food, we're getting it ready, and we're gonna review this thing. Ooh, that lineup is getting big. So, apparently there's a new menu too, but I didn't get a shot of it. But I'll get a shot in 2 seconds. Alright. Let's get this thing on. Okay folks, we're getting back from BBQBabes. I got the goods. Let's have a look at it. Oh my god, look at the cheese, look at the, oh. Folks, this is so amazing. This is going to be so tasty. This is the first poutine of the season. Oh, we gotta go. This is the thumbnail of the season here, look. Thumbnail of the season, folks. Poutine, fries, on a sunny day. Let's go home, let's eat this thing up. We're out of here. Okay folks, here we are back at the, well, we're back home. Oh, I know, I couldn't resist. I had a few bites. That's right, I had a few bites. Alright, we're heading it down to the Newbie Views for the quick review. Hold on. First impressions, what do you think?
Not bad.
Okay, hold on a sec. Let me just switch over to the front view. I didn't hear that. What?
This is very good. The cheese is actually really good. The fries also. The gravy and the fries taste good.
Oh my gosh, that is the first poutine of the season from BBQBabes. I don't think we've had a poutine since the summer, last summer. What do you think? Is that true? I can't remember.
Yep. I would rate this a 10 out of 10.
What? Shh, the world is shaking. Look. Did you just say BBQBabes poutine is 10 out of 10 for the beginning of the season? Did you just repeat for the viewers? Did you just say what I thought you just said?
I rate it a 10 out of 10.
There's a car that went by. I'm sorry. Did you say you rate this a 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Folks, you've heard it here. 10 out of 10. This boy is just chomping it down. Hey man, save me some of that after. What?
No.
Save me some of that. Save me some of that.
No.
Give me a bite.
Here, take a bite.
Hey, get back here! 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 Folks, we just lost our poutine. we just lost the poutine. So, BBQ Babes, first poutine of the season, fantastic. As always, a rating of 10 out of 10 already, or I didn't get a chance to taste it officially on camera, but yeah, it's an amazing poutine. Guys, BBQ Babes at Canadian Tire. Our link is in the description below. If you're not a subscriber, guys, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications to know when we put on the next video. If you like this video, thumbs it up. Alright, that's it. That is a quick review. Season 2, first poutine, phenomenal. If I can get my hands on it, if I can get a fork, I'll take a bite, but that's going to be hard to battle that. Alright, until then, we out. Alright, folks, look what I was able to snag. That's right. I got the last of the poutine. Doesn't look like much, but folks, if you didn't get a bite, you'd go to any lengths to get any bit of poutine left. Alright, let's go in for the bite. Oh, there's so much cheese left. Oh my gosh, there's so much cheese left. Guys, look at that. Can you see? Oh, I'm going for 2 bites. Look at this, guys. All right, let's get it in. Oh my gosh. That is so cheesy. Oh. Can you see this, folks? Look at the cheese curds. The squish factor. The gravy is so rich and I can't describe the words of the flavor that you get off of it. The cheese, curds. Oh no. Guys, it's all gone. Folks, there's always next week. That was the review of the BBQ Babes first poutine of the season, and it was fire. 10 out of 10. Go see it. Go get it yourself. We're out again.